Hi, my name's Trey D. I'm a support engineer here at E1 Solutions. Today I'm be showing you how to fix the column headers disappearing on your text folder data source, either after upgrading or just randomly stop working one day. Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this data sources tab and find that text folder data source that is giving you the issues. Then you want to go to this create schema file, open that up, and then see if this check column headers or has column headers is checked or not, and then all these other formatting options. If this isn't checked, go ahead and give it a check, and it should find those column headers names automatically and fill them in here. If not, you might have to go in and manually change the CSV delimited or tab delimited, pipe delimited, or custom delimited based on what your text file actually looks like. But once you have this checked, make sure you hit OK and preview to see that it is actually working again. And if I go back and uncheck it, you can see that it was misremembering them, and these are actually the column headers. So that is most likely what your issue was. You just need to check that has columns headers, and it should start working for you again. Hit save, and then your integration should start working from there.